Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove address on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Are the multiple addresses saved in your Amazon account causing a problem? If so, delete the unused addresses to keep the list neat and tidy. I'll show you in this video how to delete a trace from your Amazon account. It's very simple. So first of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now we can just go to your settings. You can go to your address settings here, your addresses. So here's your addresses. You can remove one of them. I have two. For example, we just remove this one. There's an option to remove. You can just tap on that. Let's just choose this one. Are you sure that you want to delete this address? You can just tap on yes. So now we have removed that from your Amazon account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove address on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.